Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Vinted application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Vinted app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you may use your Facebook or your Google account and also your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to not use your Vinted account anymore and you want to delete it, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will then take you into your profile page. From here, scroll down and then tap on Settings and then tap on Account Settings. And now you will be taken into your account settings page. From here, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the Delete My Account button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now be asked a reason for deleting your account. Just type in whatever reason you wish to provide, and then you will also need to confirm that all of your transactions have been completed. After tapping on this checkbox, you can tap on the Delete My Account button, and this will now log you out from your Vinted account within the application right away, and your account has been deactivated. After the deactivation has started, you still have about 3 weeks left before your account is permanently deleted. So if you change your mind, you can log back in before 3 weeks has passed, and your account will once again be reactivated. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on the Vinted application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.